WVU Psychiatry has the most incredible breadth of opportunity. What's really unique is that we actually get pathology from all over the state and even a lot of the surrounding states because we are the largest institution in West Virginia. Everything that you want to see in psychiatry we have here, including the technological component like ECT and TMS, which are both services that we also offer.
I remember taking a tour of the telepsychiatry suite and seeing people there, and I was like, this is an amazing way of extending our care of patients that are in really remote areas. And it's sort of ironic now with COVID and everything, you know, we had that for years.
So our residents get really good training and interacting with other aspects of the healthcare team. So by the end of the residency program, invariably our trainees have seen it all, have done it all, and they're well prepared to take on anything wherever they go.
Yeah, we really have a relationship where the residents truly work and integrate with the faculty. There's not a separation. I think there's a great ability to foster that growth and that mentorship and leadership. My door's always open, Dr. Berry's door's always open. Our faculty at large, they're always happy to learn and to teach.
My closest friends are co-residents, and then just the faculty are really approachable, really nice.
One of the best parts of the program is knowing and trusting the people that supervise you.
So I live close to the hospital. I love living here. It's got that safe environment. I walk to work. It's really easy, but we're close enough to a big city if we need to, and then the cost of living here is amazing.
Morgantown is actually one of the coolest places that I've ever lived. One of the things that's fun is they have a really nice local food scene, a lot of independent restaurants that are just all over the place.
I remember coming here thinking like, okay, I'm not from here. I don't really know much about it, and then immediately feeling like, okay, this is totally a community I could be part of.